How's it going, guys? And in this video we're going to be replacing the battery in this watch. It's been a few years since I replaced this battery. I just want to do it proactively so I don't get a dead watch on me. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to undo the wristband if it's already done up. So I'm going to get this stuff out of the way. And then on the back of this watch, on these water resistant watches, you're going to need some kind of case opener tool like this. And so basically what you do is you will spin this thing to get the length right. I'm going to hold this guy. Okay, and so there is that little waterproof seal on the outside. Here's a new battery. There's the old one. I am going to try using a little pen tip here to pry this guy away. You can hear it ticking again, which is great. So we just got our new battery installed. And now it's literally just screwing this guy back on. There you go. Confirm that second hand's working the way it should. You got it. Thank you all for watching.